Good morning, students. Today's our topic is multiplication of decimals. So when we have to multiply two or more decimal numbers, first of all ignore the decimal point and multiply the numbers normally. Let's take an example. Here we have a number 37.5 and 2.2. So ignore these decimal signs and multiply both the numbers normally. So what we get? 8250. Now count the total number of digits after decimal point in both the numbers. So in the first number we have one digit 5 and in the second number we have one digit 2. That means total we have 1 plus 1, 2 digits. So now what we have to do, we have to just count two numbers from the right side and put the decimal sign over there. So we get the answer 82.50. Okay, now let's take another example. Here we have a number 2.67 and 2.5. And first of all multiply both the numbers normally. After that count the decimal digits. Here we have 2 digits and here we have 1. 2 plus 1, that means 3. So now put the decimal sign after 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3 here. So the answer will be 6.675. We can follow the same step for 3 numbers and more. Let's take another example. Here we have 3 digits, 2, 3.5 and 1.5. Now as you can see, 2 is a whole number. Okay, that means there is no decimal part. So multiply all 3 numbers normally. That means 35 into 2 we get 70. And when we multiply 70 by 15 we get 1015. Now what we have to do, we have to count the number of digits after decimal sign. Here we have 1, that means 1 plus 1, 2. Here we have no digits after the decimal sign, that means 0. So 1 plus 1, 2. So now the answer will be 1050. So count 2 digits, 1 and 2. So it is 10.50. When we have to multiply a decimal number by 10, then what we have to do, shift the decimal sign 1 digits towards right side. For example, here we have a number 3.75 into 10. So what we have to do, we have to just shift this decimal sign 1 digit towards right side. That means the answer will be 37.5. Similarly, here the next number is 2.652 multiplied by 10. So again here we have 10. So shift this decimal sign 1 point towards right side. So the answer will be 26.52. Now let's take another example. When we have to multiply the same number by 100. So here you can see we have 2 zeros. So what we have to do, we have to shift this decimal sign 2 digits towards right side. That means 1 and 2. So what will be the answer? It is 265.2. Now let's take another example. Suppose the number is 3.7529 multiplied by 1000. So as you can see, here we have 3 zeros. So now what we have to do, we have to just shift this decimal sign 3 digits towards the right side. That means 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the answer? It is 3752.9. That means we have just shifted the decimal sign into 3 places. Okay. I hope you all have understand how to multiply 2 or more decimal numbers and how to multiply a decimal by 10,000, 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc.